So you got yourself one of these older Boss pedals, and you see a sticker on top of it. Looks like that. These old pedals ran on a 12-volt supply because that was what was common around the days. So in order to get them to run internally on 9 volts, they used a couple of bits of circuitry in order to knock the voltage down internally. But what if you don't have a 12-volt supply on your power supply? Well, it doesn't take all too much to be able to convert these to run on a standard 9-volt supply. I'll show you how you can do it. Once you've got the pedal open and you're looking at the internals of it, first thing you need to do is you need to find your DC jack up top there. So when we follow this blue cable, leads us over here to pad number 10. Take a look at the underside of the board there. That's pad number 10 there, which goes down over to here to that little component. Pretty much all these pedals are going to use a resistor and a diode to create a bit of a voltage drop. So if we look here and we flip on over, we see that. That's a 470 ohm resistor. So it's going across to there, jumps across, flip it on over again. There, jumps across, and then that little pad goes down and connects to that one. So assumptively, that's going to be our diode. Sure enough, D3, that one there. We go back across, follow it back over this side, and then we can see we've gone from there, down to that one, jumped across, down to there, then over to this pad, which leads us up to number 11. How do we get around it then? This one's really quite simple because they're literally right next to each other. All we have to do is bridge between those two pins, number 11 and number 10. By doing that, we're getting rid of those components in circuit but leaving there, because some people, for some strange reason, may want to revert it back to original stock. They don't want to take components out. Some of them might have the pads over here and over there, but that's okay. Just run a piece of wire between them. So now what we're going to do is we're going to jumper between 10 and 11, thus making it into a 9-volt external power supply capable pedal. Let's do it. And it's as easy as that. One little jumper across those pins there, and now we've got a pedal that's ready to be used on a standard 9-volt power supply. If you want to learn more little tips and tricks like this, see some product demos, us fixing things, or ever have any tech questions, follow us along here on YouTube, or check us out on Facebook, Instagram, or wherever else we happen to end up posting as well. Until next time, we'll see you then.